Hey guys, welcome. Let me show you how to crochet these mini hearts. Okay, I am going to use a size B 2.25mm crochet hook and a number 1 yarn. You can use any number of yarns, guys, as long as the hook and the yarn goes together. Okay, let's make a magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice. 1, 2, and then remove the ring, and into the ring we are going to make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3, and into the ring we are going to make 3 of treble crochet. Wrap around yarn on hook twice, insert hook into the ring, pull up yarn, draw 2 loops, draw 2 loops, and draw 2 loops. Repeat it 2 more times. 1, 2, and we are going to make 3 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, and 3. Now we are going to make a chain 1, and into the ring we are going to make a treble. Yarn on hook twice, insert hook, draw 2 loops, draw 2 loops, and draw 2 loops. Now make a chain 1, and into the ring we are going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and into the ring we are going to make 3 treble crochet. Yarn on hook twice, insert hook, pull up yarn, draw 2 loops, draw 2 loops, draw 2 loops. Repeat it 2 more times. 1, 2, and make a chain of 3. Okay, before we do the last part, we are going to pull the inside strand halfway. Okay, this is the outside, and this is the outside, and this is the inside. So pull the inside strand halfway like that, and then pull this tail until do not close all the way like that. Okay, so now the inside and the outside strand is together, and this time we can slip stitch into the ring. And then close it, then cut the yarn. Okay, and we are going to pull this tail to close the hole at the center. Pull it nice and tight. Okay, and this one, pull it nice and tight as well, so we have the heart. Okay, just go ahead and hide this tail, and you have a beautiful heart. Alright guys, I hope this is easy for you. I hope you like it. Thank you so much, and see you for my next tutorial.